Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that 799 that arrived today. I went through all my plastic cars and made a fairly nice consist for this engine. 10 cars, and this was stuff that's just been sitting on the shelf that I actually don't run very much. I got the 799 and 5 cars on eBay for $10. Anyway, so I put this together. It looks nice. It runs really, really well. And I did the headlight on the 799. I've installed a headlight. Now, a really simple way to install a headlight in a Marx engine that doesn't have one, or even one that takes a regular bulb, you can pop these lenses out. And I found a 12-volt bulb that fits that hole almost perfectly. So basically all I've done is I've mounted that bulb in the hole. This is a grain of wheat 12-volt bulb. And then brought the wire down through a hole in the front motor mount, grounded it right to the chassis, and then just ran a wire over to the contactor and soldered it in place. So that powers the light. Really straightforward, really simple. The light doesn't get hot. It'll never burn out. It's really, really inexpensive, 12 volts, and it works. Anyway, so I'm going to put this on the consist and take this around and run it. So a $10 basic set on eBay has actually turned into a really, really nice consist of original Marx plastic cars. So let's take this around with its new headlight. As you see, it runs really, really well. It looked nice, it runs well, it was inexpensive, it even has a headlight now. So, a really nice consist, really, really inexpensive. $10, and I added a couple of cars to it. Other than that, I've done nothing but put a few drops of oil on it, cleaned it, and just added this headlight. So a really, really simple way to add a headlight to a Marx engine. And you can get these bulbs, 2 to a package, at almost any automotive store. And they're about, I don't know, probably $1 a piece, something like that. But you only have to buy them once. I mean, I've never burned one out. And it fits most of these Marx engines that have a lens almost perfectly. As you see, that bulb fits in there really, really well. And it doesn't get hot enough to affect the plastic. It's really easy to install. It's inexpensive. It'll last virtually forever. So, really simple way to do this. So a new headlight in the 799, it's lubed and tuned, it's running perfectly, a really, really nice consist, and the entire thing is about 1960. So this thing is quite old, and yet here it is running, and it was $10. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As I always stress, don't overlook the junk. I was the only bidder on this basic set, and all I've done is added a few more cars to it, and you have a really, really nice original Marx diesel train. So just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.